Have you ever wondered if a woman is genuinely attracted to you? Women are masters of subtlety. Unlike men, their signals are often hidden in plain sight. But there are undeniable signs that a woman, no matter how composed she seems, cannot help but display when she's deeply into you. If you understand this, you'll never second-guess her interest again. Segment 1. The psychology behind female attraction. Before we dive in, understand this. Women are biologically wired to be more indirect with their attraction. Unlike men, who may openly pursue, a woman often waits, watches, and uses psychology to signal her interest. And if she's truly into you, she will do this one thing over and over. Segment 2. The number one sign she's attracted to you. The most undeniable sign. She will make herself more visible to you, whether through body language, glances, or positioning herself closer. Attraction is rarely loud. It's in the details. Segment 3. Stoic approach to attraction. Play it cool. But here's where most men go wrong. They notice these signs and immediately chase. A true stoic man observes, remains grounded, and lets the woman's attraction grow naturally. The more you lean back, the more she leans in. Segment 4. The subtle art of letting her come to you. In the end, attraction is not about chasing. It's about being so grounded in yourself that she wants to be part of your world. Watch closely, observe these signs, and most importantly, stay in control of your emotions. That's the key to being a high-value man. Attraction is a silent language. Unlike men, who may express their interest openly, women communicate their attraction through subtle, almost imperceptible cues. And if she's truly into you, she will always do this one thing in your presence, without even realizing it. Miss this sign, and you might never know how she really feels. Recognize it, and you hold the power to shift the dynamic in your favor. Segment: Understanding Female Attraction. The Psychological Blueprint. Before we unveil the ultimate sign of female attraction, you must understand how a woman's mind works. Unlike men, who may express attraction directly, a woman's approach is layered with nuance, testing, and subconscious signaling. Women don't chase in the way men do. Instead, they create opportunities, drop hints, and position themselves in your orbit, waiting for you to notice. Segment: The number one unconscious sign that she's deeply attracted to you. So what is the number one sign? Simple. She finds excuses to be around you and subtly seeks your attention, even without speaking. Her body betrays her feelings. She may find ways to touch you lightly, a harmless tap on your arm, brushing her hair behind her ear, or mirroring your posture without realizing it. She is instinctively drawing attention to herself, wanting to be seen by you. And here's where most men fail. They either ignore these signs or misinterpret them. Segment: The Stoic Man's Approach. Observing without reacting. Here's the mistake 90% of men make. The moment they notice these signals, they overreact. They lean in too fast, show too much eagerness, and in doing so, kill the very attraction that was drawing her in. A stoic man does not chase. He observes. He allows attraction to build naturally, letting her investment increase over time. Segment: Letting her chase. The power of controlled absence. The final piece of the puzzle. Controlled absence. If she's attracted to you, let her feel your presence, but also let her feel your absence. This triggers a psychological phenomenon known as reactance. When something or someone is suddenly unavailable, our desire for them intensifies. Segment: The Attraction Equation. Make her invest. Attraction is about balance. If you lean in too much, she leans back. But if you stay grounded and let her come to you, you create a powerful dynamic where she invests in you. So next time you notice a woman subtly positioning herself near you, fixing her hair, or mirroring your movements, remember, the key is not to react instantly. Let her attraction simmer. Let her invest. And in doing so, you become the man she can't stop thinking about. Segment: Women's Psychology. the silent language of attraction. Women communicate attraction differently than men. Where a man may verbalize or take direct action, a woman operates in subtleties, small signals, testing, observing, creating opportunities rather than pursuing directly. This is because attraction, for women, is largely emotional and psychological. She may not even be aware of what she's doing. But if you pay attention, the truth is right in front of you. Segment the number one unconscious sign that she's deeply attracted to you. So, what is the number one undeniable sign? Simple. She adjusts herself in your presence. This is biological and subconscious. When a woman is attracted to a man, her body automatically prepares to be seen in the best possible way. She'll fix her hair, adjust her clothing, or subtly enhance her appearance in small ways. It's as if her body is saying, "Pay attention to me." And if you miss this sign, you might overlook an opportunity staring right at you. Segment. But here's where most men go wrong. Most men, the moment they notice these signals, they ruin it. They react too quickly. They lean in. They try to impress. And in doing so, they break the tension that made her attracted in the first place. Segment. The stoic man's approach. Observing without reacting. A high-value man understands this. It's not about reacting. It's about allowing. This is how attraction grows. Not by chasing, not by overanalyzing, but by being a presence that she wants more of. Segment 5. How to let her chase you instead. When a woman is truly attracted to you, she will find ways to keep the connection going. But you must give her space to invest in you. Women are not attracted to men who chase. They are drawn to men who are centered, present, and selective. Segment. The power of controlled absence. Let her feel your presence and your absence. Here's a psychological trick that most men don't understand. Controlled absence. By giving her moments without you, you create space for longing. She starts thinking, where did he go? Why isn't he chasing me? And suddenly, she's the one pursuing you. Final segment. The attraction equation. Mastering female psychology. Attraction is an equation. If you chase, she pulls away. But if you remain grounded, allow attraction to unfold, and let her invest in you, she will feel something rare. Something most men never make her feel. Genuine desire. If you've ever noticed these subtle signs, comment below. What was the most intriguing signal you've seen from a woman? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep insights into attraction and stoicism. Until next time, stay strong, stay observant, and above all, stay stoic.